Welcome back. Joining us now is Audrey Spanko, candidate for Texas Senate District 1, here to tell us about a virtual town hall focused on rural health care and challenges East Texas hospitals are facing. Good morning, Audrey.
Wonderful. Thank you for having me, Frank. It's so great to be here.
Thank you so much for being here. So, Audrey, talk to me a little bit about this upcoming event.
Yes, so tonight at 6 p.m., we will be moderating a discussion on rural health care and East Texas. It's a tough time in Texas. Coronavirus cases are on the rise across the state, and many East Texans are worried about their families, their jobs, their health. So we're hosting this town hall so that we can have a discussion with rural healthcare providers to talk about what they're experiencing, the challenges they're facing every day, and how critical rural healthcare is, but at the same time, it's exposing some of the vulnerabilities that have always existed in East Texas in our healthcare systems. So we're excited to listen to what they have to tell us more about their experiences and what we can do to really promote our healthcare community and work with them over the next couple of months.
And I know it took a lot of work to put something like this together. Who are some of the other people that are participating in this event?
Yes, I am proud to be joined by several different professionals in East Texas. Terry Scoggin, the CEO of Titus Regional Medical Center in Mount Pleasant, will be on with us to talk about the recent rise that they've seen in Titus County and all of the work that they're doing to help protect East Texans in the 5 counties that they serve. We'll also have Dr. Mike McGrady, who is the president of Smith County Medical Society and a primary care physician for 35 years here in East Texas. So he brings lots of experience about being a rural provider in East Texas. And lastly, we'll have Dr. Beverly Waddleton, who is a family medical specialist out of UT Health Northeast in Quitman, Texas. She's also a personal friend of mine, and I'm excited to hear what all 3 panelists have to offer and bring to this discussion.
So you got friends, you've got doctors, and you've got a lot of knowledge and experience. So one of the things that I want to know is, what are some of the issues that rural healthcare providers are facing right now?
Great question. So we have heard kind of unanimously across the board from all of these providers that we need more healthcare facilities. We've seen 4 rural hospitals close in the area over the last couple of years, and we need to increase that coverage. We need to be making sure that we are increasing our number of providers, increasing our number of health officials and providers, but also making sure that individuals have health insurance and health coverage to be able to have their needs met. So should an East Texan be exposed to this virus, they can go in and receive the care that they need and make sure that they're taking care of themselves, their families, and our community.
Thank you for that. So for the people at home interested in this event, please tell them, how can they join?
We would love to have everyone join, and we're going to do what we know is best for our safety. So we're going to be hosting this virtually, which also gives us the opportunity to connect with individuals all across the region, and people can join via Facebook. We will be broadcasting live on our campaign Facebook page, so people can search for Audrey Spanko for Texas Senate and join live on Facebook, or they can go to our website, audreyspanko.com, and go to the events page and register there. If they register, individuals will be able to join us via Zoom and submit their questions via the Q&A.
Audrey, you covered so much information with us this morning. Do you have anything else that you'd like to add?
Now, I would just love for everyone to join us. This is a very important conversation as we are all in uncharted waters trying to find out what we can do next. So I would love for people to join us, visit the website to log in.
Audrey, thank you so much for joining us today on KETK's East Texas Live, and I hope that you have a blessed day.
Thank you so much, Frank. You as well.
All right.